Hello everybody, today I will continue the chapter The Language of Chemistry. First I will discuss about chemical equation. What is chemical equation? A chemical equation is the symbolic representation of a chemical reaction using the symbols and formula of the substance involved in the reaction. The substances which take part in the chemical reaction is called reactants and the resulting substances are called product. See one example. When carbon burns in air, then carbon dioxide is formed. See, carbon plus oxygen in presence of heat, carbon dioxide is formed. And the symbol of carbon is C plus symbol of oxygen O2 in presence of heat. And carbon dioxide means CO2. So C plus O2 equals to CO2. Then balanced equation. What is balanced equation? It is an equation in which the total number of atoms of each element in the reactants on the left side of the equation is the same as number of atoms in the product formed on the right side of the equation. See example. C plus carbon plus oxygen, CO2 is formed. On the left side, the number of carbon atom 1. In the right side, number of carbon atom also 1. And in the left side, number of oxygen atom 2. In the right side, number of oxygen atom 2. This means the number of atoms in each element is same on both sides, left side and right side. So it is a balanced equation. Now, in case of 2, when nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, ammonia is formed. Now, but it is not a balanced equation. See, it is not a balanced equation as in left side, number of nitrogen atom 2. In right side, number of nitrogen atom 1. So, to balancing this equation, first I am writing here 2. So, number of nitrogen atom is same on left side and right side number of nitrogen atom. Now in case of hydrogen, here number of hydrogen atom 2, but in the right side number of hydrogen atom 2 into 3 6. So I am writing here 3. Now see the reaction. In case of nitrogen, on left side there is 2 nitrogen atom and right side there is 2 nitrogen atom. In left side there is 6 hydrogen atom. In right side there is also 6 hydrogen atom. So it is now balanced. Now third, when hydrogen reacts with chlorine in diffuse sunlight, then HCl is formed. Now it is also not a balanced equation. In case of hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen atom is present. In case of right side, here 1 hydrogen atom is present. So I am writing here 2 for balancing the equation. Now in case of chlorine, here two chlorine atom present. In the right side also 2 chlorine atom is present. So in left side there is 2 hydrogen atom. In right side here 2 hydrogen atom is present. In left side 2 chlorine atom present. In right side also 2 chlorine atom. So left side and left side equals to right side. So it is a balanced equation. Now in case of Mg, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. Now see if it is balanced or not. It is not a balanced equation as on the left side there is 1 magnesium atom. In right side there is also 1 magnesium atom. But in case of oxygen, in left side there is 2 oxygen atom. In right side there is 1 oxygen atom. So I am writing here 2. Now, magnesium on left side 1 magnesium atom. In right side 2 magnesium atom. So I am writing here also 2. Now see the equation. In case of left side there is 2 magnesium atom and 2 oxygen atom. In right side also there is 2 magnesium atom and 2 oxygen atom. So it is also a balanced equation. Next, when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, water is formed. Now in left side there is 2 hydrogen atom. In right side also 2 hydrogen atom present. But in case of oxygen, here 2 oxygen atom present, but in right side 1 oxygen atom is present. So I am writing here also 2. Now in case of hydrogen, here 2 hydrogen atom. On left side, in right side there is 4 hydrogen atom. So I am also writing here 2. So see the equation. On left side there is 4 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. In right side there is also 4 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. So it is also a balanced equation. Next, condition necessary for a chemical reaction. First, a close contact or mixing. A chemical reaction occurs when two substances are mixed in their solid state, molten state or aqueous state. See one example. When lead nitrate solid react with potassium iodide, then potassium nitrate and lead iodide is formed. In case of lead nitrate, it is solid and white in color. In case of potassium iodide, it is also solid. And from KNO3, it is solid, and lead iodide also solid, but its color is changed to yellow. Second, in presence of heat, some chemical reaction occur on heating. For example, copper carbonate on heating from copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas. This symbol is known as heat and upward symbol means gas. So when copper carbonate on heating from copper oxide and carbon dioxide gas, it is solid state. Also copper oxide is solid state, but carbon dioxide is gas. Now number 3, light. Some chemical reactions occur in presence of light. These are called photochemical reaction. For example, photosynthesis. Green plants produce glucose in presence of carbon dioxide, water and sunlight. So it is in presence of light. Next, electricity. Some chemical reactions occur when electricity is passed through the substance. When electricity is passed through acidified water, then hydrogen gas and oxygen gas is produced. Next, number 5, catalyst. Some chemical reactions occur in presence of catalyst. What is catalyst? It is a substance which alters the rate of chemical reaction. See example, potassium chlorate decomposes to potassium chloride and oxygen in presence of catalyst MnO2. This symbol is known as gas. Next, I will discuss about characteristics of chemical reaction. First, evolution of gas. In some chemical reaction, one of the product is a gas. When zinc react with dilute H2SO4, means dilute sulfuric acid, then ZnSO4 and hydrogen gas is evolved. Next, number 2, change of color. In some chemical reaction, color of the reactants is changed. See, when aqueous CaOH2 calcium hydroxide is react with carbon dioxide gas, then it changes to milky white, means CaCO3 calcium carbonate plus water. Next, number 3, formation of precipitate. In some chemical reaction, precipitate is formed when sodium chloride react with silver nitrate, sodium chloride solution react with silver nitrate solution, then a white precipitate of silver chloride is formed and NaONO3 is formed. So, and this symbol is known as precipitation. Next, number 4, change of state. In some chemical reaction, a change of state is observed. When ammonia gas react with hydrochloric acid gas, then solid ammonium chloride is formed. So it is change of state. Ammonia gas, HCl gas, and from solid NH4Cl. So here change of state is observed. This is for today. Thank you.